Monolithic patterns reemerge when delivering pipelines, monitoring, or rollback procedures are tightly linked, making independent service deployment or recovery challenging. So the development teams face friction in maintaining agility and reliability in what they should do and the flexibility of the cloud environment. So ultimately, we're looking at these environments as, I'm going to redo this. So this is a redo of operational deployment challenges. So now let's talk about operational and deployment challenges. So monolithic patterns reemerge when delivery pipelines, monitoring, and rollback procedures are tightly linked, making independent service deployment or recovery challenging. So the teams face friction in maintaining agility and reliability in trying to live up to the value of a flexible and agile cloud environment. So at the end of the day, when we're operating these systems and doing so in a monolithic way, it's much more difficult to operate monolithic applications because, again, there's not going to be any distinction between the data side, the application side, the middleware side, and different piece parts of whatever architecture you're running and how you're supporting your solution. And because they're coupled, it's going to be, everything's running well or nothing's running at all because everything is dependent on each other. So the decoupling of these systems, not moving into a monolithic architecture as a choice, a desire, a best practice, will get you away from some of these operational challenges. And ask a cloud ops person, cloud operations person, what they think of this. And they're going to have a nightmare story to tell you about some application that was built many years ago that they're maintaining in the cloud that has a tendency to be really tightly coupled and therefore really difficult to operate. And they're a nightmare for cloud ops teams.